recording. Welcome, hello. Say hi, everybody, to YouTube. Because this probably will be on YouTube. Um, this is our Harry Potter loot crate, and this is our first Harry Potter loot crate from the Wizarding Trunk. Shout out to them. It is titled and themed the Joke Box. Now, if you guys can see, it's got all kinds of fun shit, prank themed items on it. Okay. So, I hate my hands. And don't look at my arms. Just don't look. Okay. You taped this thing fucking good. Okay. So, this is a little cheat sheet we got right here. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside because we're not doing it. What's this? Well, opening this box, please remember some items have a mind of their own. Interesting. Okay. What do we start with first is the question. So, I'm gonna put this over here. What do we start? How about this little thing? Okay. Everything? Okay. So here we are. Well, there you go. Sorry. Camera's upside down. We got a pin! I'm assuming this is what they're gonna... the JokeShop. So we got a pin. So that's awesome. We'll put that up there. Yay. We love pins. What we got next? Oh, we got a shocker. Okay. How do, does it work is the question. Like, does this actually work? But, I don't, because, I can't test it on you all. So, the only person to test it on would be myself. And I don't know if I want to, if it works. I'm scared. I don't know. We'll put that. It's very shocking to me. I don't know, chat. I don't know. You may have to do some convincing for me to open that. Shall we move on, though? Actually, no. Fuck it. We'll do it. Do it for the content. Okay. If it doesn't work, it's gonna be lame. I did not open this correctly. Oh, I really have a feeling this is about to shock the shit out of me. How do I do it? Oh, where's all of my hands? Hold on. Okay, so we're supposed to do this. I don't know. How is this supposed to work? So confused. Yeah, that one doesn't work. Okay. Wait, shake your own hand. Alright. Shake my own hand. Nothing's happened. Ow. That hurt. Okay. Fuck you. Okay. Yeah, no. Okay. We're done with that. Moving on. What are these? Chaos Crisp. An explosion of flavor. Okay, so ingredients, you're not gonna be so. Can y'all read this? Hold on. Oh, is it too shiny? Where are we? Camera, focus. Okay, so this is the can. Okay, Chaos Crisps. Okay, that's can. Ingredients. But the ingredients are dried potatoes, gnome harvested, snake oil, basilisk venom, corn, cottonseed, soybean, unicorn flour. That's crazy. Alright. I have a... oh boy. Okay. Ha! Hote! Oh, okay. They got me. Oh, they got... yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah. They may have gotten me there. Yep. Yep. That's the thing. Okay. I just had a mini heart attack. What else we got here? So we got this. Is this a shirt? Oh, is this a shirt? Oh, I'm gonna love this if this is a shirt. Hold the front door. Nowhere. Okay. So. Oh, guys, it's so dope. Okay. Let's put it here. So this is the front, okay? Also, I love always a good oversized shirt. So, bestseller, stink pellets, biting boomerang, Jester's jolt, poltergeist dice, biting teacup, eavesdrop. Oh, this is my new favorite shirt. I love this. Okay, I'm here for it. Don't listen, toxic. Stop laughing at me, okay? I did have a mini heart attack. Y'all didn't clip it, so that's your fault. He didn't clip it. Okay, so we got another box. A box within a box within a box. A oh, okay. I'm having trouble opening the box. Oh, that's because I was supposed to open it that way. Alright, I made it complicated. Perfect drum roll. Okay. What the fuck is this? What? Are you supposed to come off? That is awesome. I don't know if y'all could see this, but like, it's a robot. And it's made up of all like the little prank things. Oh, this is so cool. He's, I'm sorry. I don't know if he's meant to come off, but like, he's coming off. This is going on my desk. This is my new best friend. Okay. Let's go! We're good to go. Put him right next to your pin. Actually, hold on. Sticky tape. Got an idea. We'll stick him to the desk. There we go. That's so fucking cool. I love this, guys. We got another one coming next month. I'm obsessed. I'm nerding. Okay, So we got this box. Okay. Okay. This looks fragile. Oh, is this our first potion? Oh, this is our first potion. Guys, instant darkness droplets. Bro, our first potion is legit. Alright, that's going on the disc too. Oh, I fucking love that it's instant darkness droplets. Can we get one that's like instant brat droplets? No, that would work. That would work a lot. Okay. So we got some artwork and stuff. Ooh. Okay, that's cool. That's okay. That's awesome. This is the coolest fucking thing I've ever received in the mail. Look how pretty this is, guys. Look how pretty. Like, the level of detail and shit that comes in these boxes has been why I wanted it for 5 fucking years. This is our little ingredient card for our potion. Okay. So it says... I can't even read this. I'm too high. Whoops. So then it comes with this. So we got the enchanter. Okay. We actually got a book. And it comes with all these recipes. Pranks. I gotta read this. We're gonna have to read this. Oh, let's see. I'm a Pisces. It's a great day to empty your pockets, both literally and metaphorically, light your load, and stumble across something you'd long forgotten. Who else has one? What is your sign? Let's do yours. What's your sign? Tox? Virgo. Inspiration will strike when you least expect it. Keep your journal handy as you might catch a glimpse of the extraordinary. The night sky could hold the key. Ew. And this one's called Horoscopes with Madame Ravencraft. Anybody else want to do theirs before I put it away? Anybody? Cancer. Alright, hold on. Feels some type of way. Alright, Cancer. A handwritten note might find its way to you, bringing a simple but important truth. Keep an eye out for unexpected kindness. Wear green to amplify good vibes. Ooh. Good vibes, wear green. Okay. We got classifieds. You guys want to read the classifieds? So I'm gonna these are the credits. So you guys, these are all individual like companies that make the stuff for us. So these are local businesses that they contract to make items for them for these boxes. So, like, by supporting them, you're supporting local small businesses, which is awesome. So we got Bewitched Balm. Okay. Warning. Alright, read the warning. Oh, where is it? Read the warning. Do not hold in hand after lighting. Aries. Oh, Aries. Okay, 9th screen. I got you. Let's see. Aries. Do. A new path lies ahead, but tread carefully. Impulsiveness might trigger something unexpected, especially with potions. Avoid mushrooms that shine under moonlight. Also, I'm horse. Wait, what do you mean? Horse. What's... I'm scared. Hopefully nothing else jumps out at us. Oh, I kind of ripped the box. I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared. Oh boy. It is they actually gave me a bomb. They legit have given Cry a bomb. Ah! Oh, you mother. Have I mentioned that I'm recording and this might go on YouTube? I'm not supposed to swear. I was never gonna go on YouTube. They gave me a bomb, guys. Look at this bomb. I'm the bomb.com, bitch. What now? That's awesome. We're putting that right there. Cry's got a bomb. I should not say that too loud. My neighbors are gonna be like, what? She's got a bomb. Whoops.
Emotional damage.
That's what I'm saying. Alright, so we got a teacup. I'm hoping this is actually a teacup. With finger feasting saucer. Caution, not a toy. Ote. Let's go. Okay. That is actually, so like, that's actually like, that's legit. I got a little teacup. Yay. I wanted the teacup. Look at, I got a fancy tea. Oh, here we go. Right here. We'll get better with the camera working. That was a satisfying, sir. What, this? I love this. Alright, so we got favorite things. So we got our teacup. Love it. We're gonna actually probably have tea right now. Because, yeah, I got a teacup now. Favorite item. What would my favorite item be? And tap, 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 tap. Oh, yeah. Listen, I could be convinced to do an ASMR stream one day. Maybe. So, like, our favorite item, I don't know. So, like, we got our little robot guy here, okay? We got our instant darkness droplets, okay? Those are kind of cool. I like this. Um, I do like our pin. Pin was dope. Kind of like the bomb, because, like, now I can say I'm the bomb.com, and when people are like, no, you're not, I'm be like, bitch, I got bomb. What you got? Nah, bomb. Also, I got wand. The bottle could be. So that's what we're gonna read. So we got a little cheat sheet, okay? Oh, we knocked over the robot. He's gonna go back over here. His arms are literally like, he's gonna sit on the desk like this. The arms up. That's my mood. Ah! Okay. So we got the Magical Mayhem. This miniature collection features several of the best-selling products at Widershin's JokeShop, designed for us by Wizardry Workshop. Lip nipping teacup. Be careful when attending afternoon tea with any jokester or prankster, as the teacup might take a bite out of your lip, and the saucer may begin to feast on your fingertips. Designed for us by Here Be Monsters. The Enchanter magazine. The newest issue of The Enchanter has arrived and is themed around magical jokes and mischief, designed for us by Wizardry Workshop and written by the talented team of witches and wizards. JokeShop pin. So I was right. It is the JokeShop pin. Alright. The JokeShop pin is located in the village and sells most of the items mischief makers at school are required to cause mischief and mayhem. It will be the perfect addition to your village pin banner. JokeShop t-shirt. This magically soft. The shirt is a good one too. I like that one too. Oh, that's my new favorite shirt. The Jester's Joke. This handheld device is sure to give your handshake a bit of a shock. Designed for us by Wizardry Shop. Your new Bewitched Bomb will make a perfect addition to any fireworks display or fireworks show finale with its spectacular boom. Instant Darkness Dropless. Just a drop of this liquid will render complete and utter darkness for hours at a time. Perfect for turning out the lights for a bit of mischief or if you need to make a quick escape. Interesting. Okay. Oh. What's this? Oh yeah, the Chaos Crisp. Remind me so like, I'm gonna have to make sure I don't put that in my munchie cupboard, because I can totally see me getting high and going, oh, what's this? And then fucking, yeah, no. I mean, help. That's awesome. Alright. What was your favorite items? What do you guys like? Also, like, robot, you like the robot? This is our new stream mascot. I'm dead ass serious. Like, this is our new stream mascot, guys. What should we name him? What should we name him? Bob. Come on, we can be more original than Bob. Again, Bob. Got two Bobs. Come on. It'd be more creative than Bob. Bobber. Robert the Robot. How about we call him Rob? How about Rob? This is Rob, guys. Rob. Yeah. Rob. Cause his face This face, that face, is the face of a Robert. I really, like, I gotta, this is beautiful. Oh, hold on. I'm trying not to drop shit. Okay. This is really pretty. I love this. I gotta hang this somewhere. God, I gotta get a frame. This is gorgeous, though. Like, this is going somewhere. Is this the Joke Shop? No, this is the no, this is candy. No, maybe it is. I don't know. Oh, it is the Joke Shop. Okay. That's gorgeous, though. Also, I like this. This has to go somewhere, too. Oh, hold on. I gotta get the camera to do it. Like, that's fucking cool. Alright. So, that was our joke box from the Wizarding Trunk. I'm gonna end stream and restart once I load back Fortnite up and stuff. And clean up some stuff. But for now, I'm going to end the recording. So say goodbye to YouTube. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, and come check us out over on Twitch. Cry241 on Twitch. And I appreciate y'all being here. I will see you guys later.